Let's go for date time transform. Over here, I have a date and time data. I want to split the data, only showing the date, only showing the time, and show the first day of the month. So first thing, before I load this data into Power Query, Control T, and then enter, change name, table, date, time, data, and enter at the end. After I change the name, data, from table range, click. So it brings the table into our query. And you will notice the data type has a calendar with a clock. So that's a date time. And we want to duplicate the column, additional 3 columns, so that we are able to show only the date, only the time, and the first day of the month. So let's right click on the header and choose duplicate 3 times. Right click, duplicate, right click, and duplicate. Before we continue, that'll be better we rename the header before continue. And the second column we have is this is date only. The third column will be the time only. And the last column is first day of the month. So now we want to show only the date. That means I ignore the time. Right click, transform date only. You will notice a similar things happening over and over again. We just need to right click and choose transform. Depending on the data type, the options are different as well. So right click and date only, time only, right click, transform, time only. And the last column is right click, transform, and it's go for the month, start of the month. Start of the month means the first day of the month. Then click. Does it change? Yes, but it shows the time more. I don't want the time, then how? Yeah, we can transform to show the date only, or we can change the type to date. When we change the type to date, it will ignore the time in the data. Okay, I change the type. At the end, I want to bring this data back to Excel. What should I do? Close and load. Let's wait for a while. Yes, got it. So this is how we're able to bring the data back to Excel.